Whether you're looking for a natural skin moisturizer or a chemical-free hair conditioner, this video is going to be very helpful for you. Today, we will discuss the potential benefits of jojoba oil for hair and skin. So without further ado, let's start the video. Jojoba oil benefits for hair. Number 5. Prevents hair loss. Alopecia, also known as hair loss, is a very common problem among women and men. A lot of reasons can trigger this condition, including diet, stress, genetics, and not doing proper hair care. However, you can cure alopecia at home by using jojoba oil. It has remarkable properties to reduce hair loss and promote hair growth. Number 4. Conditions the hair. If you're looking for a conditioner option on the more natural side, then jojoba oil is what you need. All you need is some coconut milk, boiled rice, and a tablespoon of jojoba oil. Add rice and coconut milk to a blender and blend them until smooth. Now add a tablespoon of jojoba oil and apply from roots to length. This conditioning pack will keep your hair good for 10 to 15 days. Number 3. Prevents scalp infection. Due to sweating or dryness, our scalp often gets itchy. Jojoba oil possesses anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Massaging the scalps regularly with this keeps our scalp healthy and prevents infections. It also clears sebum on the scalp and unclogs the pores. Number 2. Reduces frizz. If you have bushy and frizzy hair, all you need is some jojoba oil to make them look manageable. It locks in moisture and reduces frizz. Number 1. Adds natural shine to the hair. If you're looking to add natural shine to your hair, try massaging them with equal parts jojoba and peppermint oil. This combination will do wonders. Jojoba oil benefits for skin. Number 5. Natural moisturizer. Jojoba oil is an excellent natural moisturizer. It locks the moisture in the skin and makes it soft and supple. Number 4. Collagen synthesis. Jojoba oil is rich in antioxidants which stimulate collagen production in the skin. Collagen enhances the elasticity of the skin and reduces aging signs. Number 3. Helps with eczema and psoriasis. Jojoba oil is loaded with vitamin E. Vitamin E works to soothe the symptoms of itchiness and flakiness caused by eczema and psoriasis. Number 2. Treats sunburn. Sunburns can be really painful sometimes. Jojoba oil has a cooling effect and it promotes hydration. When applied to the sunburn area, it works like magic. Number 1. Prevents acne. If you have acne-prone skin, jojoba oil is a must for you. It is non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog your pores. Due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, jojoba oil is excellent to clear out acne and breakouts. Thanks for watching. For more, stay tuned.